Two AI heavyweights, Claude and Writesonic, face off in a 2025 showdown. Which one really delivers? On the left, Claude, collaborative AI for nuanced content. And on the right, Writesonic, speedy AI content creation for high-volume needs. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Okay, quick roadmap for today. Here's the mind map of everything we're covering. So first off, we'll look at pricing, because honestly, who doesn't care about what something's going to cost? Then, content creation itself. That's kind of the heart of these tools. We'll check out integrations, see how versatile each one really is, and we're definitely touching on how easy they are to use. Sound good? Let's get into it. First up, pricing. So Claude is actually free right now. Yeah, you heard that right. Free. But before you get too excited, there's a catch. If you want like a structured package, you've got to contact their sales team. Still, that flexibility is awesome for side projects or experimentation. Now, Writesonic, it's all about flexible plans, which is nice if you're working with a team or scaling up, but no free version. That stings a little, right? And depending on what you need, the prices can look pretty steep. Between the two, Claude kind of walks away with this category. Moving on to content creation. Claude has more of a collaborative vibe. It almost feels like you're brainstorming with a real person. Super versatile, whether you want blog posts, emails, or, I don't know, poetry. But, it does take a little longer since you have to give it some direction. Writesonic, though, wow, it's speedy. If you're pumping out loads of content, especially for things like ads or product descriptions, it's perfect. But, and this might bug some people, the stuff it spits out can feel a touch formulaic, almost templatized. Still, Writesonic actually takes the win here simply because sheer volume and speed is hard to beat. Time to talk integrations. Claude's got seamless Google Docs integration, which, honestly, is a game changer if you live in Docs all day. But yeah, integrations are generally fewer compared to what Writesonic is packing. Writesonic, on the other hand, is super tight with WordPress. So if you're managing blogs or sites, this can save you a ton of hassle. It's got less wiggle room beyond that, though. So for versatility and smooth workflow, Claude pops ahead in this category. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know AI tools like these keep getting better almost monthly? So seriously, always put them to the test with your own real projects before settling on one. All right, versatility. Claude is pretty wild here. It's not just for writing. It can handle coding and even complex data analysis. I mean, how cool is that? It's kind of like having a mini brain for all your wild projects. But hey, it might not be your go-to for every single type of content. Writesonic is super focused on pushing out content fast and reliably, but that's kind of where it stops. If you need more than writing, it's just not built for it. In this one, it's Claude again, coming out strong. Okay, ease of use. Claude is fully conversational, which is like so satisfying when you want to tweak ideas and go back and forth. The flip side, it needs a bit more from you, like prompting and tweaking. Writesonic, though, is honestly as easy as it gets. Point, click, done. The interface is super intuitive, and you get your stuff in seconds. If you're after minimal effort and quick turnarounds, it's perfect. Although, yeah, you miss out on some of those interactive features. Writesonic grabs this round. Let's see how these two stack up head-to-head. Imagine a radar chart with scores for pricing, content creation, integrations, versatility, and ease of use. You'll get a pretty clear picture. Claude's generous on pricing and versatility. Writesonic's all about speed and simplicity. So overall, if your workflow is all about thoughtful, nuanced content, Claude is hard to beat. It's like having a strategic partner. But if you need to churn out content in bulk and you want it fast, Writesonic is seriously good at what it does. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give both Claude and Writesonic a shot yourself. Try them on your next project. Honestly, the hands-on experience will tell you more than any review ever could.